Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by taking immediate, safe action. Put on eye protection, gloves, and long pants, then confirm the battery level or your line spool. Once done, install the edging guard and set the line diameter Ryobi recommends. That reduces kickback and uneven cuts. You want a clean reference edge, so position yourself parallel to the path and take a short test pass. Move at a steady walking pace. Let the string do the cutting rather than forcing it through dense material. Once the reference pass is set, you form the trench by tilting the head about 15 to 30 degrees to create a beveled edge and aiming for a consistent 1/2 inch to 1 inch depth. Make short, overlapping passes, about 25% overlap, so you don't gouge the soil or tear roots. As you go, stop periodically to clear debris and inspect the line. This prevents missed spots and helps you correct angle drift. If you meet turf roots, slow down and let the string abrade through. You finish by making light, upward feathering passes to blend the lawn into the newly cut edge, producing a crisp look without creating an abrupt drop. Next, compact any loose soil with your foot or an edging tool and water lightly to help the turf settle. If you see low or uneven spots, re-edge them with a shallow pass. If your line keeps breaking, stop and check the spool tension, replace worn line, and avoid hitting rock or metal. This keeps results consistent and extends tool life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.